Welcome back to Coding Everywhere. Today we will continue coding in Python the solution to our inequality problem. I will show you how to access one element of a tuple by its position. Each variable in our program is a tuple of 4 attributes. Each attribute can be accessed, each element of the tuple can be accessed by its index. The first element, which is the name, has the index 0, the next element has the index 1, it is the description, the third element has the index 2, it is the value, and the last element at index 3, the fourth element, is the units. So 0, 1, 2, 3. The same thing we can say about the other tuple, which is the variables tuple. The variables tuple has 4 variables, each one of them a tuple. The first one it's at index 0, b, t it's at index 1, f it's at index 2, and x is at index 3. So instead of saying b is equal to any, which you already said when we described the variable, we can say b it's equal variables tuple at index 0. So now we have this one, and then inside that at index 2, so it is 0, 1, 2, and we have the value. Same thing we can see about t. T is the variables tuple at position 1, which is the second element, and then inside that element at position 2, which is the third attribute, the value. F, respectively, it's the tuples variables at position 2, which is the third element, and inside that at position 2 again, which is the third attribute. Okay, so I will just rearrange this code a little bit, because so I will put the variables here, and I will save the file and execute it. Save. Again, I should have the same result as in the previous tutorial, the ones that you are just seeing. Okay, so that worked well. So what we learned today? We learned how to access elements of a tuple by index. The index is starting from 0 and increases, so it's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, how many elements we have in that tuple. So if we have tuples inside tuples, we are saying variables of 0 or variables of that index, and then again in square brackets we are providing the index. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to Coding Everywhere channel to be updated whenever new videos are uploaded.